Hello everyone. We at Building Caretakers are on a mission to help 5 million plus homeowners to carry out building repair services which are easy and reliable through an online application named Building Caretakers, wherein they would get fast, easy and comfortable home repair services. This would enable homeowners to live a life which is easy, comfortable and pleasant. This will not only enhances the property valuation but also regenerate the lifestyle of the homeowners. Today we would be discussing about tips to choose the best exterior paint colors for the house. This video is divided into two parts, or this topic is divided into two chapters. In first part we will discuss some basic things about exterior paints and some tips to choose the best paints or the color scheme. Now it is usual that we concentrate more on our interior designing. We want to symbolize our individuality, but we realize that it's the exterior paints or the exteriors of a building that gives the viewer the first impression about your home and your personality. But choosing an exterior paint for Indian climate is not an easy job, as there are many factors on which it depends. So here are some of the tips on how to choose the best exterior painting ideas for Indian homes. Number one is the color combinations. When it comes to the exterior paint colors, stick to one, two or maximum three colors or painting colors, as more colors on the exterior appears cluttered. If you feel that using a two color or a single color will make your house monotonous side, then using different shades of the same color is the best approach. This combination will also give a good appeal to your house. Then comes the choice of the colors. One of the best exterior paint color idea is to avoid black or any other dark colors as a major shade for major of the areas. These dark colors absorb dust and makes you to repaint the exterior wall paint frequently. However, it is better to use the pale shades of the dark color and mix them with another light colors. Since the dark colors gives a sense of dignity to the house, it can also be used to highlight the main features of the house, and you can use some highlighter colors also along with these dark shades and light shades. Next is the durability. Now the type of the exterior home painting color used will decide the durability of the paint color irrespective of the color. High gloss paints are not befitted for the exterior wall paints, even though it has the highest durability. For a perfect exterior wall paint finish, satin and eggshell are the best choices, as they have a very high durability and easier to clean. These finishes also enhance the exterior paint color ideas. So continuing with this, in our next chapter we will come up with some more better ideas for exterior color shades card. Don't miss to watch our part 2 of this video.